Hello and welcome to my channel Learn and Grow. In this channel I used to come up with tutorials on the various topics. Today we are going to discuss how to design a vertical business card using Canva. Now Canva is a very powerful tool which can be used for design of many graphical objects that we can use for designing for our clients as well as for our own use. Now the vertical business card sizes, if you consider the standard size for the US, which is 3.5 inches by 2 inches, where it is the 2 inches will be the width and 3.5 inches will be the height of the card. This is the card size, and in pixel if we consider, then it will be 336 pixel, that is the height, the larger number is the height, and 192 pixel is the width. The canvas size adding 0.25 inch or 24 pixel margin on all the sides, that is on the width as well as on the height. So, and the safe area which is around 3.25 and 1.75 inch, and the canvas size will be 3.75 by 2.25 inch and the pixel number correspondingly. Now if you want to convert any inches to pixel, then we can take help of the online converter that converts the inches to pixel. Now let us try to find out how we can design a vertical business card using Canva. Now I am here in my Canva window. Now we are going to design a vertical business card which is having the canvas size of 360 pixel by 216. 216 will be the height and this will be the width. 360 pixel will be the width. So we are just clicking on the create a design and we are choosing the custom size. Here the width one, that will be, we will take in the larger dimension, that is the 216, width will be 216, and height accordingly the height will be 360 pixel. 360 pixel. So now click on the create new design. So this window will come up and we are going to design a vertical one. We will not be using any templates here, just will be using our own designs. So now here I will be adding some margins. So let us go to file and show the rulers, and here show the guides. Okay, now I will be dragging some. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add some 24 pixel border on all the sides first. So drag a line, adjust near to it is 22, it's okay, let us leave it, and the bottom one let us leave it here. If we consider the sizes, we can calculate this height is 360 pixels, so 360 minus 22, that is 338. So the bottom one, the margin is at 330, it is 338. Okay, so this one is that 338, here it is showing the number, and the left side if you are just dragging it, then it is 22 pixel, and here also it is automatically creating a margin for that, and it is only considering the 22 pixel. 194, so 216 minus 22 we consider, that is 194. Now this is this dimension, inner one, it corresponds to the 168, that is a safe area, again the minimum one, and this is our actually the card size, that is 336 pixel. This will be our the card size, actual size of the card. Now again we will be adding some another safe area where we will be dropping our important text and logos. So for that again 22 pixel from the top, that will be 22 plus 22, it will be around 44 pixel. Again from the bottom the height is 360 height minus 44, that will be 316. So we will be dragging another 300 what was that, 316, okay, and 317, then 318, 316, okay, that's fine. And from the side also we'll be dragging another one, that will be 44, 45, 44, and from this side this is 200, this one is 316 minus 44, so 216 16 minus 44, that will be 172. So from left side 164, where it will be 164, 172, sorry, 172, it will be at 172, okay. So this is the inner one, that is the safe area where we will be dropping all our logo and text elements. So first we drop a background here. So now I'm going to the photo tab and adding background, so it will pull up a background image for me for the card design. So let us choose some background here. Okay, let us choose this one for the sake of this design, okay, this one. And it is also giving some magical recommendations which you can see and select according to your design or whatever you like, okay. So this is the background, and we will be putting some text and the logos. So let us first write some here, that is we are designing the front side card. So first name, first and last name. So let us change this font to, let us say, Monster extra bold. Sizes, I'm just reducing it to this one up to 10 or little lower, that is the 9 I am using. I'll be dropping some logo here or the person's picture here on the front side. Let us type person, okay, which you can use here. Or let us try professionals, professional. I can choose this one, and we'll be dropping some elements here. Elements, let us use frame. So this frame I am using here and just dragging the picture over the frame. So now it is become like this, and I will be resizing this one, okay, up to this one, pressing here, okay, like this. Now, so this is the person's first name and the last name, and we can drop other things like pressing the, just clicking over it and pressing Alt, dragging it, and the position, or let us say job position, and change the font to only Monster and little smaller dimension, drag it on the top, okay. So this is our first design. Let us move little upper side, and we will be putting the other content details at the bottom. So first we are going to use some address here. Let us drag this one and address, let us say 123 Anywhere Street, World Avenue. Okay, and World Avenue, and then CA 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let us change this font to 6, left align it, and I will be dragging some another guide here after this one, let us say. Okay, and we'll be aligning this with that guide. Let us change this font to little smaller size. Okay, 5 we are using. Again, pressing Alt, dragging it, and other details like the phone number and email address, website. At the phone number, let us say write 123 or plus 01 dash 123 256 7890. This is the phone number, dragging it, and email address mail@domain.com. Let's zoom it little bit to 100%, and the website. So the website is www.website.com. Now let us select all these things and move a little on the upper side, and just will be making the spaces between them, vertical space between them, equal. How you can do that? So going to position first and then vertically, space evenly vertically, click on that. So it will vertically place all of them, align them properly. Now we'll be dragging some icons here of these contact details here. So for that I will be going to, let us say, elements and contact icons. Contact, let us say contact. Okay, these are the comings here. There is a phone number and location. If I choose location, the similar type of icons we will be choosing. Let us find a similar one. There is a circle outer, so if you can find any of them, or you can import from outside also, like this one we are finding. Okay, you can use this one, the outer one, outer border, everything we can change the same color, then it will not be visible. So let us change, or if we want something like maybe this one, okay, we can use this one, delete this one. This is for our location. Change the color to black or yellow, whatever you want. We will be using, let us say, the yellow one. Drag it, resize it, and again this one will be resizing, and this is our contact icon 15, let us say up to 15. This is our phone, and change this color to this one. This one our contact icon 14. Okay, icons here, this is our for location. Okay, dragging it, placing it between them. Let's make this text little bold. Okay, bold. This icon is not visible properly, so I am changing, finding other icons. Okay, let us find Let us select this one. This is somewhat similar. Okay, now delete the old one and drag it here on the top, placing it here, changing this color to yellow. Okay, and this one to let us say up to white. White is not good here, some other color. Okay, this one, our location and the mail address, let us say mail, and choosing a similar kind, maybe this one. Okay, let us drag this is our mail address. Let us change this color to black or to yellow, whatever you are choosing here, and this one let us make it black. Okay, not visible enough, so you can choose, just you have to see what suits our design actually, or you can import any of the icons from outside also. Just take this one, or this is not having any changes, we cannot make any changes to this. And circular type, let us say any kind if it appears. These are all the paid ones, the pro versions. You cannot download them. If you want to use them, you can download them without paying Canva. So for the sake of the design, let us leave it like this only. Okay, and the website address, website, let us choose this one and change this color, and we're just changing this color to yellow, and this one just black, this one is black. Okay, resize it down to 14 pixel. Let us place this here. Okay, so this is our front side almost complete. Or you can change this color to, let us say black one, we are changing this one also, we are making it black. Okay, just to have a parity. Now this one also you can change this yellow to any color you want. If you want this color, you can put it here. So this is almost complete, our front side of the card. Now just I'm adding another page here, and we'll be using the same background here that we have used. Background, okay, or you can just copy this background here, Ctrl C, and let us paste it here, Ctrl V. Now here we'll be putting the company logo and the company website address, company name, or any tagline. If it is having any tagline, then we can use it here. I'm just removing this guide, and let us find a logo. Go into element, let us type logo, we can use it. Okay, let us say then the company name here will be using company name, let us say export. What is happening here? Okay, export marketing global. this one, let us make it bold. Size we'll be using this much only. Change the font to bold. Color you can change this to yellow. Global, and if you're having a tagline, that also we'll be able to do here. The tagline here, let us say positioning it at the center, and then dragging this one, we can drag the tagline here. Striving for better quality. Change this to master size, little lower size. Change the color to let us white. Okay, now we can use here the other contact details like the website here, www.website.com. make it bold and little larger size. So that's all, and we can position it at the center this much. If you want to put some, or if you want to change the background, this is actually the front side and this is our background. You can also add an image here. Let us say the photos business. I'm just searching for any, can use this as background just, and here I'll be bringing down the opacity and the color. Let us say I'm choosing the background color of this one as a black one, so to appear the text properly. Okay, and this will be our front side of the card. This is our background side. So this is the design actually, the vertical business card. If you want any other contact like the details like the social profile, we can add this here, like if I'm just dragging it, and we can add Facebook. Okay, and change the size to little smaller dimension, to 7, and again they'll just will be putting some guide here like this, and icons I'll be using Facebook. Let us say Facebook, and elements I'm searching for Facebook, the company pages actually. Let us use this one. Resize it to this much, drag this guide a little closer, place this, okay, like this. Then you can use LinkedIn. Let us use this one. Okay, 16, drag this to here. Okay, yeah, and dragging it here, just type LinkedIn. Okay, then other social profiles like Twitter you can add, whatever, Instagram if you want to add, then also you can do that. Instagram, okay, and aligning it with this guide. Instagram, okay, Yeah, you can find it anything with a circular. This one also you can use. Okay, drag it smaller. 15 is okay, and place it here. Now it's okay. Now let us see what is happening here. These are our profiles actually, and positioning it again with the vertical evenly spaced and aligning with this one. Okay, these are our icons for the social media, and if you want to position little higher, selecting all of them, and we can drag this on the top also. Okay, so just fit this one. So this is our complete design. Now you can go and download this design, select 2 pages, download this one. And with Windows Explorer, then okay, this is the front side. Okay, and the back side. Okay, this is the back side. So that's all guys, hope you like this tutorial. It's a mini tutorial. You can explore more with the Canva, and if you want to join Canva, the description you will find a link here how to join. And thanks a lot. Thanks for your time.